Okay guys, what's up? Hola a todos muchachos, ¿cómo están? Here, Sweet Wanderings and Vagando Parejo, two different channels. We're here at Suramericana, the building complex. Estamos aquí en Suramericana, los edificios de vivienda, here in Medellín, Colombia, aquí en Medellín, Colombia. And I'm going to be showing you this place where you can live. This is a good neighborhood. You could just look for listings on Airbnb for Suramericana, and you can see the metro is right over there. Allá ven el metro. This is the B line. Esa es la línea B. And this is a very safe neighborhood. Este es un barrio muy seguro para vivir en. If you're a digital nomad and want to come here, or an expat and want to come here, si usted es un nómada digital o un expat y quiere venir a vivir acá. And here we have Juan. Ya alcancé a Juan. I caught up to my workmate.
Looking at the results from a TOEIC student. He got 895.
Who?
A student, a private student, TOEIC.
Oh wow, nice, que bueno. Now I'm already recording here about this Suramericana and stuff. You know, show people this as a place where they can live and they can find listings on Airbnb. Aquí pueden encontrar en Airbnb esta área, ¿verdad? Suramericana número 1. These are tower blocks, old school, and it's a safe neighborhood, right? What do you think? Is it a safe neighborhood?
Great neighborhood.
Right?
Well, this area is a little like there's not a lot of traffic around here, so you got to be careful. I mean, not to dar papaya. Have you explained dar papaya?
Yeah, I've done it in 1 or 2 videos. Not to dar papaya means expose yourself.
Yeah.
To any robberies.
Like
like he's doing with his phone hanging out right there, or me with the camera because I don't have the stick on it right now. But yeah, and we're close to the metro station over there. I mean, if you wanted to say from 1 to 5, de 1 al 5, how safe 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest, 1 siendo lo más bajo y 5 lo más bajo?
3.5.
3.5?
Yeah.
3.5 en cuanto a seguridad. Safety, so this area is pretty safe.
But it's really convenient. I mean, you got the metro, you got Colombia Avenue, you can get the bus there. It's in terms of transportation, it's perfect.
Transportation, buses,
and
everything.
You have El Éxito over there.
Uh-huh.
You have the museum across the way, like Carlos A.
Yeah.
Carlos A is really nice.
Carlos A, that's a local experience. I'm going to be making a video about that, about the nightlife at Carlos A Restrepo. And we got some audio interference over here from the guy that, the street vendor, rolling street vendor selling his stuff. And with the music, and I always say, please YouTube, no me castigue because no es mi música, it's not my music, it's the dude over there. Because you get a copyright claim and all of that. So you got a lot of things here nearby, and you got, of course, you got that thing over there. What's it called, that shopping center over there?
That's Carrefour, that's 65th Street Carrefour. Or now it's not Carrefour. Carrefour is Whole Foods.
Jumbo,
yeah.
And it's got a movie theater too.
Got a movie theater.
Supermarket, macro, home center. A lot of things in the vicinity, muchas cosas cerquitas. Juan is a teacher. He and I have been teaching together at the same company since what, 2000?
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, desde 2000 estamos enseñándonos allá. It's been a while. Too long, right? But this is good, and Juan is going to go right that way now to catch the metro. But here you don't want to be coming around here late at night from the metro. No quiere estar pasando por aquí ya tarde en la noche.
Well, if you go that way, it's okay. It's not really dangerous, but going down that way is a little
dangerous.
Dicey,
yeah, this is 65th, so I'm going to go that way. Hey, Juan, thanks a lot. Stay bien. So that was Juan telling us about this area here. So this is all the area, and this is La 65. And El Éxito is that way, and you got a lot of restaurants. And this 65 comes all the way from Itagüí. All the way from Itagüí, and you can catch a bus from Itagüí this way. Puedes coger un bus desde Itagüí hasta acá, if you're in the Itagüí area. So it's good, as he said. Let's continue. Él dijo que es muy bueno. Juan es un profesor de inglés, y él y yo damos clases de inglés con un instituto que se llama Lexicon, ya hace 20 años, desde el 2000. Y toda esta parte es muy seguro. Look, una tienda de uno ahí, tienda de uno and whatever. Ya enseguida les muestro más. In a moment I'll show you more. This is one of the the streets that you don't want to be caught up at night. Look, they do have this for security. Ellos sí tienen esto por seguridad. Es una de estas callecitas de la 65 para acá, from 65th Street this way, that at night you don't want to be traversing. En la noche no estás atravesando esto. Ahí están todas las torres de Suramericana. Here we have all the Suramericana tower blocks. Vamos a mirar qué hay. Well, it's not a beautiful little bird. Wow, so let's see. So here we got Suramericana número 2, another tower block. Remember, you can get an apartment here. You can look for them. I'm going to look for them. Yo voy a mirar cuáles son los que están en Airbnb. And they have their little shops. Tienen sus tiendecitas where you can come down and buy some things, photocopies. And those are different tower blocks. Son diferentes torres acá. And there's even a vegetarian restaurant in one of these. Hasta hay un restaurante vegetariano en una de estas que se llama Árbol de Vida. Árbol de Vida. Let me see where it is. I don't remember. No me recuerdo dónde queda. So these are different ones. Suramericana 3. Different tower blocks. Diferentes torres de vivienda. And with gated entry. Gated security. Con seguridad ahí para entrar al edificio. You cannot get into the building if you're not expected because they have armed security. Tienen seguridad armada. Armed security guards. Or if you want to rent a house, there are some houses here, but these are the old school houses, son casas viejas ya. And they have the rental companies. Les voy a mostrar un poquito de eso. I'm going to show you the phone numbers in case you want to call them. Si quieren alquilar una casa. So look, right there it says Arrienda for rent. It's Arrienda, and that's the phone numbers. WhatsApp too. I hope you can see the phone numbers. Pueden ver los cosas. Oh, that's a shop, not a house. They're renting out a shop, a store. I thought it was a house rental. But I guess some of these people might be renting out the house. A veces de pronto pueden estar alquilando la misma casa. Here's another one. Another phone number from this company has a lot of property listings for rent if you want to contact them. AB Pachiolonche, whatever, Propia Raíz Real Estate. And that's the phone number, or look them up on the internet. AB. So let's see what else. I'm trying to remember where the restaurant is. Árbol de Vida. Anyway, so I'm over here. I just left them to get my lunch ready. There's a lot of noise. Dejé que mi almuerzo lo estén preparando. And this right here, this place, Mon Dieu, they have some excellent bread they bake here. It's different kind of cakes, breads. I have eaten here before many years ago, and it's good. Es un muy buen lugar, Mon Dieu. Over there, you are close to downtown Medellín. Downtown Medellín is just like about 5 blocks over. You just got to go over the bridge. Over the bridge and over the highway, and that's it. Entonces la autopista al centro, para downtown Medellín, para caminar ya para el centro, estamos a 5 cuadras. Colombia Avenue, Avenida Colombia, está al otro lado, on the other side. Aquí está Suramericana. Here is Suramericana, the old insurance company building. This is the headquarters of Suramericana. Está la casa matriz de Suramericana. Y ahí está Colombia. Colombia is right over there. Colombia Avenue is right over there. And in the daytime it's safe to walk. En el día es seguro caminar para allá y pasar para ese lado. Okay. Carlos R. Restrepo, the local life experience. El Carlos R. Restrepo para la vida local, la experiencia, is on that side, que es el lado. You pass the pedestrian bridge, pasan el puente peatonal. This is Colombia Avenue, esta es Colombia. The stadium is up that way, el estadio está hacia allá. And there's downtown Medellín. Ahí ven al centro de Medellín. You can go walking, or if you don't want to walk, si no quieren caminar, you stand over here and you wait for a bus, esperan un bus, and all the buses go straight into downtown Medellín, into El Hueco, and whatever, van al Hueco y todo. De noche, no les recomiendo que pasen por ahí de noche. I don't recommend you go there at night because there are a lot of homeless people, drug addicts, thieves, and criminals hanging around here at night, late at night. Tarde en la noche hay mucho criminal, indigente y todo. Para esa zona, entonces no les recomiendo que de noche caminen para allá o para acá. At nighttime, I don't recommend you go that way. Stay safe. Me, I'm fearless, so I don't worry about this. But you guys, if you are fearful, if you are afraid, si tienen miedo, temor, I don't recommend you do that. No recomiendo que lo hagan. Todo esto es Suramericana, and as Juan Carlos said, como dijo Juan Carlos, de 1 al 5, from 1 to 5, he gave it a 3.5. Él le dio un 3,5. And these are all the tower blocks. Estos son todas las cosas. Look, you can buy fruit and veggies here, like little fruit salad to eat or whatever. Manguito, papaya, pineapple, whatever. Just be careful crossing the streets. Pongan cuidado en las calles. People here usually go fast on their motorcycles. La gente generalmente anda rápido en sus motos or in their cars, en sus carros. And this is a nice area, close to downtown, close to the metro, close to el éxito de Colombia. Está cerca del éxito de Colombia, entonces es una área para considerar. It's an area to consider if you want to live here as a digital nomad or as an expat. Todo esto son las torres. All of these are the tower blocks. And all of them are apartment buildings. Only on the first floors, they have shops they rent out. And they have a little park. Tienen un parquecito aquí. Entonces, todos esos son torres de apartamentos antiguos. And I'm going to walk around and go back to el árbol de la vida. Voy a dar la vueltecita y voy a regresar al árbol de la vida. And the highway's right over there. 3 blocks over is the Autopista Sur, the South Highway. Here in Medellín, Colombia. Aquí en Medellín, Colombia. And you see people hanging out. Many people here. This is Suramericana number 4. And this is a little park they have here. Tienen un parquecito pequeño aquí. If you want to sit in the daytime and chill and relax, and maybe work off your laptop here or cell phone right there, as long as you have mobile data. Remember, mobile data is very cheap here in Colombia. Recuerde que los datos móviles son muy baratos aquí en Colombia. Look, there's a restaurant over there. Hay un restaurante allá también. I don't remember the name of it. Vamos a ver. Let's go see. These are the restaurants. Aquí están los restaurantecitos aquí. Super combos for 19 or 20,000 pesos. Fast food combos. And they have some restaurants. Tienen unos restaurantes, Pizza Gourmet. Ciao. Pizza Gourmet. Or they have another bakery here. Tienen una panadería. Los restaurantes. So you see all these different things. Amapola. That's the name of this place. Amapola. Cakes and all of that. And the highway's right over there, like I told you. So there are many things, many places here that you can come and eat something at. And then they have this other thing, looks like Mexican food, a restaurant. And it's not open yet, but probably they'll open in a little while. Oh look, they got lunch, cocktails, beers, like a cocktail for 10,000 pesos, lunch menu, taco. Yeah, it is a taco place. Tacos, veg taco for 4,000 pesos or 7,000 pesos for a regular taco. And they got a restaurant menu from the day's called La Milpa. That's the name of the restaurant. And you can follow them on Instagram, lamilpa.co, at lamilpa.co or La Milpa Restaurant Taqueria. Oh, it's a Mexican restaurant. It's un restaurante mexicano. So you got these places, tienen estos lugares aquí, and there's always armed security with dogs and everything because of these buildings. So there's a lot of safety in the daytime. Hay mucha seguridad en el día, even at night, but it's reduced. So this is Suramericana Tower Block neighborhood. Close to downtown, if you want to be close to downtown. Close to the soccer stadium or the Atanasio Sports Complex if you want to go do exercise there, run around, or the swimming pools there that you can register and become a member of, and everything, and the baseball diamond, el diamante, a lot of things. And you're close to Boulevard La 70 if you want to go to the nightlife there, or remember Carlos R. Restrepo over there for the nightlife, local nightlife, the local experience, not Parquejeras, not Barrio Provenza, not Manila or Parque Popular, but this is more the local experience.